All right. Right there, pretty much between those rocks. A couple of years ago, there was a brick bathroom. Even had his and her stalls. I was here year round, you know, but I think they had to take it down because it kept getting vandalized. You know, it's really fun trashing a bathroom. I think maybe some people think it is. So, anyway, they had this big sequoia size porta potty that they've brought in here. And this spot, like, I don't know why you can't just put it right back where the bathroom was, but anyway, I'm not going to try to ask these important questions to anybody because I know they'll go unanswered. And this is why. Because this is a hen of the woods, a Graphola frondosa. And it comes here every single year. But it's getting smaller. And I think it's because, like, you do not put bathrooms on trees. And who knows, there could have been a way. You like that mushy boy? I almost named you after that. Don't go in the hall, girl. There might be tarantulas. Not really. Back to the mushy show. No. Anyway, it's a beautiful fruit. And it wasn't here a couple days ago. I think I will pick one of these fronds. Yeah, it's fresh. Alright, so I think I'm probably going to bring a neighbor out here. Tell him